Yo, this might be Snoop Dogg's recipe, but let me tell you what, this billionaire bacon is officially owned by Pinche Crack. We're gonna start off with one thing of bacon, brown sugar, pepper, and Pinche Crack. That's really all it is. We're gonna mix our brown sugar, pepper, Pinche Crack in a bowl here. Lay out our bacon. I was hungry for bacon, so I did a full sheet of bacon. Gonna go ahead and pour our rub on there, pat it down so it sticks. Give it a flip and do the exact same thing. Now that it's evenly coated, we're gonna put it in the oven at 350 for about 14 minutes, okay? I took it out and put it on a cooling rack. That helped to keep the bacon nice and crispy. I tasted it, honestly needed more Pinche Crack, so I had a little Pinche Crack and made it 10 out of 10. I really enjoyed this bacon and I'll probably eat it more often, honestly.